Hello, in this video I'll show you how to knit a new, simple open work stitch with 1 row repeat pattern on both sides. Because of its 2 identical sides and the lovely side edge that forms on its own, it is knitted very simply with only 3 knit stitches. The result is a distinctive and well-structured knit that can be used for a variety of purposes. There are 3 loops in the report. On both sides repeat pattern is. Knit the first loop. Pull up a long loop from the bottom row under the third. Knit together the second and the third. Knit the first. Pull up a loop from the bottom row under the third. Knit together the second and the third. Knit 1, pull up a loop, knit 2 together. Continue like this until the end of the row. Knit the last loop through the back. At the beginning of the next row, slip it without knitting. I have presented you with a new double-sided knitting pattern with an easy way of knitting and many applications. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.